solve the equation x squared plus 10x equals 39, you have to first draw a square with the length of x, making the area x squared. Now you have to add 10x. You can do this by adding 4 rectangles to each side of the square. 10x divided by 4 equals 2.5x. The longer side of the rectangle equals x and the shorter side equals 2.5, which means that the area of one of the rectangles is 2.5x. The area is now 39. To complete the square, you have to add 4 tiny squares to each corner of the figure with a length of 2.5, making the area of one of the tiny squares 6.25. 6.25 times 4 equals 25. 39 plus 25 equals 64. X plus 5 squared equals 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. X equals 8 minus 5, and therefore x equals 3.
Now linear, let's start off with a graph. Linear functions is basically that of a line. It could be upward, downward, or horizontal. There's also vertical lines, but vertical lines are not considered functions, so I won't draw that. Now nonlinear is basically a graph that's not that of a line. It can be a curve, it can be a split graph like that, or any graph that's not that of a line. Now also a linear function is that of degree 1, meaning x to the first only. Okay? Nonlinear, not degree 1. When it comes to a polynomial, we're talking about x squared, x cubed, x to the 10th, etc. But also, nonlinear can be thought of as non-polynomials. For example, you may have square root of x. You could have x to the 1.6, or even negative exponents, just like so. So after a while, it's pretty straightforward to distinguish between linear and nonlinear, given the fact that linear has some very fixed properties and nonlinear can actually go all over the place. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and there are a few tips on how to distinguish between linear and nonlinear.